Jeff, young and old, alive and those who are gone, they all share a common bond that binds them together like family. They are simply veterans. They fight.
I am an American soldier. I am a warrior.
So you and I can live free.
I am a guardian of freedom and the American way of life.
On this Veterans Day, our men and women in uniform want to make sure you don't remember this day simply as a holiday, but as a day to recognize those who have served and sacrificed.
Veterans Day is to recognize all members who have ever served.
I've come year after year. I always come here. Anything patriotic, something like this.
This is a time that's set aside to come to the cemetery. This is the ultimate. This is our final resting place. So to come to the cemetery is enormous for me.
I served both in Iraq and in Afghanistan.
This is Bradley Harris' first time celebrating Veterans Day at the Memphis National Cemetery. Among a sea of red, white, and blue and patriotic music, the gun salute to recognize the fallen, and the crowd, all creating an indescribable feeling for these veterans.
Kind of means a lot, really. At least lets me know that we're appreciated.
As long as they're here, I'm going to be here. We owe it to them.
These veterans say serving in the military creates a bond with their comrades that will never be broken. That may be hard for non-veterans to understand, but they hope people will and give them the respect they've earned.
Through their blood, their sweat, their repeated deployments, and sometimes loss of limb or life, the veterans' legacy of duty, honor, and country must never be forgotten.